Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. It is very simple quiz and we can solve. We have here three answers. We will see which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's start the topic. First, we have to recap like how we can solve this quiz. So this is basically the quiz will be solved through the PAMDAS and BODMAS rule. What is the PAMDAS and BODMAS rule? In arithmetic operation, if you have like a basic operation, multiplication, division, plus sign, and addition and subtraction. So you have to follow a rule which will be, if you will follow that rule, so you can get the correct answer. So now let's understand what is PAMDAS and BODMAS. If you see on the screen, so you can see like what if you are using the BODMAS, so B means is bracket and expression. So you have to see like the bracket and parenthesis. After that, you have to see the order of the exponent or any root, and then you have to solve the division or multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them if you are going left to right. If you are going to left to right, if division coming first, so you can solve the division, and if multiplication is coming first, so you can solve the multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, you have both both addition and subtraction have same precedence. You can solve any of them if you are seeing like left to right and you have the addition first, so you can solve the addition first. And if you have subtraction first, so you can solve the subtraction first. Now let's move the expression to solve that expression. So now we have the 2 plus 4 and here divided by 22 plus 6 multiplied by 7. Now we will go left to right and see which part of this expression will be solved first. So as per rule, you can see like on the screen, and as per PAMDAS and BODMAS rule, if the expression has the bracket or parenthesis, so you can solve first that part. So here we have the bracket in the expression, so we will solve this part first in the expression. So now we will write like 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus divided by, and now we will solve 22 plus 6 is 28 and multiply by 7. So here we have done first the bracket first. We solve here bracket first. Okay, now we will go again left to right. So we will follow left to right rule and then we will solve this part. If you go left to right, so you have to have like division first, so you can solve this part first. So now we will solve this one and we will write like 4 divided by 28, so we will get 1 divided by multiply by 7. So here we solve division first. Division. And now we will move forward left to right. Again, we will go left to right. And we will see here we have 2 plus 1 upon. Now we will multiply 7 multiplied by 7. Not this part we will multiply. So here we have 1 plus multiplied by 7. So we will get 2 plus 7 divided by 7. So here we have multiply the expression first. Now we will move left to right again and check which part we will solve first. So we will go left to right, and according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS, if at division and addition, division and multiplication is coming first. So we will solve this part first. So here we will solve this one. And here we have 2 plus 1. And in the end, we will get the answer is 3. So the correct answer of this expression is 3. So correct is A. A answer is correct. So that's it for today. The expression answer is 3 if you follow the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule. So I hope you understand, and please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quiz from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.